To solve this equation, we first have to set it up. And for fencing, we need 600 feet of fencing. And so the horses and cows have to be right next to each other. And we will start off with the perimeter. So the perimeter will be 4x plus 3y equals 600. It will be 4x because there are 4 x's and 3 y's. And it will be and 600 feet of fencing will be needed. And then our area will be 2x and y, because we will focus on one area of fencing needed, and it's 2x plus and y. So right now we're just going to focus on the perimeter. So the first thing that we will have to need to do is subtract 4x, which will be 3y minus 4x plus 600. After that, you will have to divide 3, which will give us y equals negative 4x over 3 plus 200. Oops, 200. And since it's y equals negative 4 over 3x plus 200, we're gonna plug it in into 2x y, and it's gonna be 4 over 3x plus 200. Oops. Come on. After setting that up, you'll have to distribute 2x to negative 4 over 3x, and it will give you negative 8x over 3 plus 400x. Now we will focus on finding our x value. So we're going to be using negative b over 2a. So the first thing that we'll have to plug in is 400. So negative 400. And then 2 8/3, which will give us negative 400 over 16/3, negative 16 because you're distributing the 2. And first you have to do the reciprocal. 3 over 16, cancel out the 3's, and it will be 400 over 16, which will give you, which will give you 25. And that will be our x value. I'm sorry, running out of room. 6. Our answer will be 6, x equals 25, and we will go back to our perimeter and plug in 4x to 25 plus 3y equals 600. You will distribute 4 to 25, which will equal 100, plus 3y equals 600. Oops. And subtract 100, which will give you 3y equals 500, and divide by 3, and y will equal 500 over 3. And now that we have our y value and our x value, we will be able to write the answer in dimension. So it will be 50 feet x 500 over 3 feet. And it's 50 feet x because x equals 25, and as shown in our setup, x will equals 25, and the length will be 50 in total. So then here's our first dimension. Oops, oh no. Okay, and then to find our second dimension, which is the maximum area, we will have to use our area equation and plug in again 25 to x and y 500 over 3. And if you use a graphing calculator, it will give you 8,333.33 feet squared. And that is the solution to our problem.